In today's video, we're going to be talking about detumescence therapy, what it is, how it is, and it's probably the weirdest thing I've ever done on video. So let's get into it. Alright guys, if you've been following my journey, you know that I've been doing this for about 2 months. I've been doing the derma rolling. I have minoxidil, I have a shampoo and conditioner that has collagen in it that's supposed to help me regrow my hair. But first, coffee, as always. In order to make a good video, you need coffee. Give you a little bit of energy. So, just a second. Amazing. So, today, detumescence therapy, what it is. So basically you're going to be doing scalp massages on yourself. If you have a significant other or someone who wants to rub your head, let them do it because it's annoying to do it to yourself every single day. So this is a 3 to 4 minute massage, and basically you're going to warm up your scalp, then you're going to be pinching around the areas that you have hair loss, which a lot of us aren't just losing our hair in the front. We've got the crown receding as well. So there's a Chinese study that brought in men who are either receding hairline or already slightly bald, and basically what they did was 24 weeks of every day they received a massage for 4 minutes. A scalp massage in a scientific study. Count me in. I hate doing this to myself. I've been doing it for 2 weeks. It's just annoying, and after a while your fingers kind of hurt because it's 4 minutes of literally just pressing into your scalp, and you need to put quite a bit of pressure in order to stretch and move the skin in order to get the blood flow to the scalp like it's supposed to have. So the study showed good results for the scalp people, or for the scalp massage, and people who did the scalp massage did see a lot of good hair growth in 24 weeks. So I've been doing it for 2 weeks. We're gonna give it about another 22 weeks and see what happens. But to start it off, we're gonna be doing 3 to 4 minute massages, and we wanna warm our scalp up. So the best way to do it is just get our scalp moving. So this is supposed to help us get a little bit of blood flow, just go all the way around. So mine is in the front. I don't really have too much hair loss back here yet, but I'm gonna do it anyways. And then once you have the scalp warmed up, I do it about 30 to 45 seconds, you're going to start pinching your scalp. So it's really not good to do this. You can't get anything in there. So take your hands, press into the skin, and then push away into the scalp. This is the only way you can get enough pressure into the scalp to make it a good massage. So that is our detumescence therapy. I try to make it super short and quick, that way you guys don't have to wait for a long time video. I watched a bunch of videos on this, and most of them I will say are very uninformative and kind of annoying. So that is it for the day, guys. If you are new here to the channel, subscribe please if you want to see more. We're about to start kicking off more videos with my actual fitness side of this, so if you guys want more fitness tips as well, I'm about to do a shoe review on the Nano X by Reebok. I have a shoe review that went viral on the Nano 9, so we're gonna try and do that again with the Nano X because it is an incredible shoe, but there's a few things that I don't care for. So that's it for the day, guys. Hit subscribe, hit like, and I hope you guys have an incredible day. I'll see you guys later.